Do not let a gas connector installation intimidate you. I'm gonna show you step by step how to install a gas range. You can see, wowzers. Damn, look at that. I'm Rashun with iInstall. I've been installing appliances for 27 years now, and I'm gonna show you how to install this gas range. Now, the only part I need today is this kit. Eastman gas connecting kit. It comes with everything necessary to install your gas range, the Teflon tape, the leak detection solution, and it comes with extra fittings just in case you may need. Now, the only tools I'll be using are my adjustable pliers. And once that's said, let's get started. First things first is you wanna make sure that this gas is shut off. The way you're doing that is make sure that this nozzle here is pointed perpendicular. The first connection I'm gonna make is to the excess flow valve. And first, before you connect it, you wanna Teflon tape this up. And the way you're doing that, you're gonna take this Eastman supplied Teflon tape, and I am wrapping it clockwise. So when you insert this fitting into your valve, the valve does not unravel it while you're trying to tighten it. So now we have that Teflon tape on tight. We're gonna insert it into our shutoff valve. You wanna also turn this valve clockwise. You wanna turn it until you can get it as tight as you possibly can get it with your hands, because you don't wanna cross thread it, allowing gas to seep out through those threads. So now that we have that installed, we're gonna come with our adjustable pliers and tighten up the whole situation. Valve, shut off, everything gets tightened in this process. So next up, we wanna come with our line. Doesn't matter which end. Again, we're gonna hand tighten it. We don't wanna just jump on it with our pliers. We wanna turn this clockwise till we get a little resistance. Nice and snug with the hand, that's tight. So once you get it as tight as you can with your hand, you're gonna come with a half of turn on your adjustable pliers. And there you go. And so now I'm gonna get ready to connect the other end of the line to the gas range. Let me get that, and I'm gonna show you how. Next step is gonna be to get the 1/2" valve, and we're gonna install the Teflon tape on the flat end. And we still wanna go clockwise with the application of the Teflon tape. Same way, gonna make sure it's lined up nice and even. Get it going, get it going. And then you wanna start to pull on it just a little bit to kind of set that Teflon in place. So once that's done, snap that Teflon off like that. Should look clean. Now we're gonna insert this into the back of our range. Now when you're doing this, you wanna make sure you don't pick up that EFV fitting, because if you do, the gas will not come out that way. So once I get this fitting nice and tight as I can with my hand, then you want to come back with your adjustable pliers and tighten it as tight as you possibly get it. You want to put He-Man strength on it, but enough to feel safe with that gas and letting that Teflon tape seal. It's 5. Now, if your gas range has a different size fitting, this is the 3/4 size fitting that you can use. Either your shutoff or your gas range has this fitting. This also comes in the Eastman pack. Now it's time to add the other end of the gas line. And I'm gonna start it off on the threads. Nice and slow. I don't wanna cross thread it. That's a nightmare. So we're doing everything until it's hand tight. It's pretty tight there. So I'm gonna come and get the adjustable pliers and come and tighten my gas line. Now that we have both ends of our lines connected to our gas range, before we cut the gas on, we definitely want to test it. And this can be done by the Eastman supplied leak detector that was in that kit that we had earlier. So we're going to just apply this to all our connections. And the way you tell if you have a leak or not is this leak detection will blow bubbles. It's almost like water and soap. So we're going to liberally apply this to all the fittings, all of our connections. On the gas valve, the fittings, the EFB, the valve that you put inside the range, as well as the lines. So once we do that, we're gonna then cut our gas on. We're gonna wait a minute, let that gas cycle through the unit, let that pressure build up a little bit, and then we're gonna make sure we don't have any leaks coming out of here. All right, looks like we don't have any bubbles. That means your connection is good and your range is ready to be pushed into place. Now that we have both of those ends installed, now it's time to plug it up and put it in place. Looks good. I'm just adjusting my line for when I push it back. The line is positioned in a manner in which it's able to function properly. What you want to do is lift up on the front of it too, especially if you have hard woods. You don't want to scratch your floors in the process. Good. And once you have that in place, you want to check to make sure that this puppy is level. I'm going to get that same torpedo level to see if it's level. It is not level. So we're going to have to level this out. I'm going to get my adjustable pliers and I'm going to tilt up on this range so I can get it nice and level. All right, let's see what we got. There you go. All right, now that's complete the leveling of your gas range. Now before you head out, you want to test everything, make sure everything is working like you want it to work. And other than that, you're done, you're good. I appreciate you guys for watching. Hope to see you next time on another install. Take care.